In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so your bank feed is clean, your reports make sense, and your books stay accurate. First, head to the left pane and click Banking. This is where all your connected bank and credit card accounts live, and it's the hub for reviewing everything that flows in from your bank feed. If you manage multiple accounts, choose the specific account you want to work with so you're looking at the right set of transactions. Keeping each account separate helps you avoid confusion and ensures every transaction lands where it belongs. Next, click the Uncategorized Transactions tab. This view is your to-do list from the bank feed. These are items Zoho Books brought in automatically that don't yet have a home. They haven't been matched to an existing record, and they haven't been categorized to an account in your chart of accounts. Think of it as the inbox for your bank data. Here, you'll see a list of all the uncategorized transactions imported from your bank that you will need to either match or categorize correctly to properly integrate it into Zoho Books. Matching means there's already a record inside Zoho Books, like an invoice payment, a bill payment, or an expense you created earlier, and the bank feed entry should be linked to that existing record. Categorizing, on the other hand, is for transactions that don't have a pre-existing entry. In those cases, you'll assign the right expense or income category so the transaction is recorded properly. A quick tip for deciding between the two: if you've already entered an invoice, bill, or expense manually, look for a match with the same date and amount. If nothing exists yet, choose the most accurate category based on what the transaction was for. Consistency is key here. Using the same categories month after month helps keep your profit and loss reports clean and makes tax time far less stressful. Pay attention to the payee, the transaction description from your bank, and the amount. These details will guide you toward the correct decision and help you avoid duplicates. Once you've reviewed this list and handled each item by either matching or categorizing, your bank feed will align neatly with your books, and your balances and reports will reflect reality. And there you go. That's all. With these steps, you can confidently keep your Zoho Books banking tidy and your financials accurate.